At Pure Academy, we believe that education is more than books and classrooms. It's about unlocking the potential within every student, providing a foundation that will carry them through life. Here we nurture young men with a purpose, preparing them to lead, excel, and thrive in every aspect of their journey. Through a unique blend of academics, agriculture, STEM, athletics, mental health support, and a vibrant boarding community, we're cultivating the leaders of tomorrow. Academic success means more than just grades. It's about fostering curiosity, critical thinking, and the desire to learn beyond the classroom.
Here at Pure, education is a top priority. It helps me and my teammates get a better version of ourselves and bring out the better of us. Being here at Pure, I have done things that I never thought I would do.
At Pure, our students are equipped with hands-on experience in agriculture, learning not just to grow crops, but to cultivate responsibility and an understanding of our environment.
Before I got to Pure, I would never, ever think about planting plants or just being in the agriculture world, period. But once I came to Pure and I started to feel what agriculture was and start to learn the meaning behind agriculture and what it's for, what it does, it just made me start to like it, and it grew on to me.
In our STEM and robotics programs, students engage in cutting-edge technology, developing the skills needed to build and shape tomorrow's world.
One thing I like about Pure Academy the most is the STEM classes it offers. The robotics, the coding, it all just goes hand in hand with being able to advance to the higher level in college and in the workforce.
Through athletics, our students learn the value of discipline, teamwork, and perseverance, strengthening not just their bodies, but their character.
Playing football here at Pure has played a major part in my life because it's keeping me active, it's keeping me out of trouble, and I'm building friendships and relationships with the coaches.
Success starts from within. We believe that emotional well-being is just as important as academic achievement. Our mental health programs ensure that every student feels supported, empowered, and ready to face life's challenges.
So here at Pure Academy, mental health is very important, and for everybody at Pure Academy, because we have a brotherhood where you can just talk to let things out. You can have one-on-one conversations, you can have group conversation, or you can let things out, because if you don't want to hold, I'm telling you, you not want to hold things inside. It's gonna affect your life.
Boarding life at Pure Academy is more than just a place to sleep. It's a place to grow, form lifelong friendships, and build independence. Here, students learn the value of community and what it means to be part of something greater than themselves.
Living in the dorms at Pure, it's more beneficial than not living on campus because I done tried both. So living here in the dorms, it's like you always here, you always getting knowledge, you always around the people who gonna keep you safe, the people who gonna guide you in the right direction. Whatever you need, they gonna go get it, just so you can be focused on the main thing.
We're more than a school. We're a family, a community, and a guiding force in the lives of these young men. Your support allows us to continue this mission, providing these students with the tools, resources, and environment they need to thrive. Together, we can ensure that the future is bright.